If you have a horizontal, vertical, or overhead concrete surface that needs repairing, DuoPatch is going to be your product. It's a polymer modified concrete repair mortar from SpecChem. Hey, I'm Joanie Allen with New South Construction Supply. Prior to mixing any masonry product, you're going to want to wear a dust mask and also have some safety glasses and gloves. Prior to application, you're going to want to clear the surface of any debris, dust, rocks. Just get it nice and clean. First, we're going to use the DuoPatch add mix. I'm going to put about 60% of this into the bucket. Then we're going to add the mortar mix.
By starting your mix process, you're going to first need to start with 60% add mix in the bucket while adding 50% of the bag.
Before you put this mortar down is to dampen the surface. That's going to keep it from absorbing the add mixture in the concrete mortar. So here we go. So now we're going to apply a thin scrub coat. It's going to help with the bonding of the next layers. Scrub coat in, we're going to let it sit for just a few minutes so we can apply our second coat. We're going to use a hand trowel for a smooth finish and let it prevent it from blistering. One great thing about DuoPatch is that it leaves a nice smooth finish and it's really easy to work with.